Team One. This is Loose Sellers, and thank you, Ron Hart, for calling me out for our Team One Daily Video Challenge. The challenge actually has been so much fun because we've gotten to see so many new faces, and we have learned from each other, and that's wonderful. And actually, my topic on how to build a better version of yourself has to do exactly about that, and that's relationships and association and paying attention to who you're associating with. I was thinking about just tonight specifically. I was in the company of 6 business women who are very successful in their arena, and it was just wonderful because we all brought something to the table in each of our industries, but we also learned from one another. And these are women that I get to associate with, and they're building multi-million-dollar businesses. And it's so cool because that's one of my goals too, is to build a multi-million-dollar business. So it's very awesome. But in the meantime, in this business, we also get to associate with some phenomenal people. And it's not just about the money and building the multi-million-dollar businesses, but it's about learning from one another. Just like this daily video challenge, we're all learning from one another. We're all high-fiving each other on the chat and on all the different social media pages that Team One has. So it's just a wonderful, wonderful place and a wonderful community to be a part of. So pay attention to who you're associating with, and if they're not building you up, lifting you up, and giving you those high fives and attaboys, then maybe you want to consider changing those. And the great place that we all will get to associate and have a wonderful time and just hang out with some amazing people will be at Free Enterprise. And that's just one of our awesome events that's coming up. And of course, we have October 11th, where we gather locally and grow intentionally. So it's been awesome to get to hang out with my Team One friends when we get together on the huddles and other different events, but it's also awesome to be able to hang out online as well. So pay attention to those associations. Those relationships are very key. So it's been great sharing with you, and now I get the honor of calling out my very dear friend, Carol Glaso. She and her husband are just wonderful pillars in Team One, and they're just wonderful people to associate with. So Carol Glaso, you're up.